All right, for this last one, I'm going to take a look at problem number 14, so you can read along with me here. It says if you buy 6 pens and 1 mechanical pencil, you'll get only $1 change from your $10 bill. But if you buy 4 pens and 2 mechanical pencils, you'll get $2 change. How much does each pen and each pencil cost? Well, as you know, almost every time making the variables equal to what the question asks for is usually the way to go. So it looks like we're asking for the cost of a pen and a pencil. Unfortunately, we won't be able to use P for both of those. So maybe we should not use P for either of them. So maybe N will equal, what are we talking about, cost here? Pencil cost, so cost of pen. And pencil, how about C equals cost of pencil. Okay, so reading again, if you buy 6 pens, so 6 pens, and 1 mechanical pencil, and so you're going to add them because you're buying them both. 6 pens and 1 pencil. You'll get $1 change from your $10 bill. Well, that means you spent $9. I mean, if you wanted, you could say 10 minus 1. But I think it's pretty obvious that if you have $10 and you get 1 back, that you've spent 9. So that's equation 1. Equation 2 is, but if you buy 4 pens and 2 pencils, so 4 pens and 2 pencils, you'll get $2 change. Well, that means you've spent $8. Alright, so if I look at equation 1, it looks like solving for C would be the easiest thing. So I can just say C equals 9 minus 6n. That's not bad. Now we can plug that into equation 2 for C. So we will get 4n plus 2 times 9 minus 6n. And that's going to equal 8. So let's simplify and solve. 4n plus 18 minus 12n equals 8. Combine the like terms, negative 8n, and subtract 18 from both sides equals negative 10. So now it looks like n is going to equal 10 over 8 because they're both negatives, or I can just put the negatives there and then make it 5 over 4, which looks like, since we're talking about money, should be $1.25. Right there, since it didn't come out as a whole number, I'm a little concerned. I'm thinking, well, maybe I've made a mistake. Hopefully I haven't, but we'll find out when we check our answer later. So now we're going to plug that back in to, I don't know, maybe equation 1. We could do it to either equation. Let's see, and either way it looks like I'm going to get a decimal for, oh no, if I plug it into equation 2, when I multiply that by 4, I will not get a decimal. So let's try that one. So into equation 2, we have 4 times n, which was 125, plus 2c equals 8. So 4 times 125, that's 5, plus 2c equals 8. And then 2c equals 3, and c equals 3 over 2. Since we're talking about money, that should be $1.50. Alright, so again, we got a decimal. So I'm concerned I may have made a mistake. Let's double check. If you buy 6 pens and 1 mechanical pencil, so we're at pens, we think are 125, and pencils we think are $1.50. So if we buy 6 pens, that would be what would that be? $7.50. And one mechanical pencil, that would be $1.50. Then we'll have $9. Okay, so that worked out. That checked out nicely. The second equation, since we have 4 pencils or 4 pens, so 4 pens would be $5, and 2 pencils would be $3. That would come out to $8. So those both checked out. So we were concerned about our decimal answer, but it worked out just fine. So our answer is pens were $1.25 and pencils were $1.50. Okay, for your homework, do problem 7 on page 423. Number 7 on page 423. Enjoy.